Hi, welcome to Robam Kitchen Appliance. I'm Brian and today we're unboxing our best-selling product, and that is the R-Max range hood, which comes with a 30-inch and 36-inch model. And today I've got a 30-inch model with me, which is the latest of ours. Now this model comes with 3 different color stylish options designed to complement any kitchen decor. It also delivers peak performance with up to 1300 CFM, which features an easy to clean surface, a wash-free inner cavity, and also smart functions. So let's get started with the unboxing. First, let's look at the outer packaging. It comes in a thick, sturdy cotton, specially designed for overseas shipping, and every unit undergoes rigorous transport and drop test before leaving the factory. So even after long distance of international delivery, it arrives safely at your doorstep. Alright, so let's open the box. Now inside you'll see a custom foam tightly securing the hood. It may take a little bit of effort to remove, but that's intentional because you want your product to be firmly secured. Let's start with the accessories. Each piece here has its own compartment so nothing gets squeezed or damaged while in shipping. And right here is the manual guide, step-by-step instruction to make installation and operation more simpler. Now next we have the mounting bracket designed to secure the hood firmly to the wall. And here is the oil cup made of 304 stainless steel, a durable, corrosion resistant, and super easy to remove and clean as well. So a real time saver for everyday use. There's also a stainless steel trim panel. So if your cabinet has a gap above, this trick can be used to cover it, making the overall look more seamless and refined. Now, let's open the smaller box. This right here is the backdraft damper, and it prevents smoke from flowing back into your kitchen. The installation kits includes mounting feet, limit blocks, and 5 expansion plugs, all neatly packed to avoid loss. So everything you need for installation is included, no extra shopping required. Now once the top layer of the foam is removed, now you're going to find an accessory checklist. So make sure you go through it carefully to confirm that nothing is missing. Our R-Max series range hood supports 2 installation methods, a well-mounted or under cabinet. Now if you choose the under cabinet option, we've included a cardboard installation template just right inside the box, and simply follow the printed guide to mark the cutouts and place the screws, and the hood will fit perfectly into your cabinet space. And this marks the installation straightforward and ensures a secure, professional finish. It's time for the start of the show. So now when lifting the hood out, you want to use both hands to hold it firmly. Now here's the installed look. Sleek and impressive, isn't it?